Gray hair, stiff joints, constant fatigue. Most men blame aging. But here's the truth. Up to 80% of men over 40 are missing key vitamins. And these silent deficiencies could be the reason some look 60 at 45, while others barely age. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the 3 vitamin deficiencies most men over 40 face, the hidden symptoms that creep in without warning, and the simple fixes you can start today to boost energy, sharpen your mind, and slow down the aging process. When we talk about aging, most men picture gray hair and a slower metabolism. But inside the body, something far more important is happening. Subtle nutrient deficiencies are rewiring the way your cells function. And that's what accelerates the aging process. Let's start with vitamin D. Technically, it acts more like a hormone than a vitamin. It helps regulate testosterone, supports strong bones, and keeps your immune system sharp. Without it, you're more likely to store belly fat, lose muscle, and even feel that constant low-energy drag. Studies show that men over 40 often have declining levels because we spend more time indoors and absorb less sunlight with age. Next is vitamin B12, the brain and nerve protector. B12 is essential for making red blood cells and maintaining healthy nerve pathways. When it's missing, oxygen delivery slows down, which explains the brain fog, tingling hands, or persistent fatigue many men chalk up to just getting older. The truth is simpler: low B12. Finally, there's magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 reactions in the body. It regulates muscle recovery, sleep quality, and even blood sugar balance. When your magnesium is low, stress hormones spike, your sleep suffers, and recovery after workouts becomes harder. The science is clear. These deficiencies don't just show up as random aches or tired mornings. They quietly chip away at your energy, your hormones, and your resilience, making you feel older than you really are. The problem with vitamin deficiencies is that they don't wave a red flag. They creep in slowly, and most men mistake the symptoms for just getting older. Take vitamin D. Low levels don't usually cause obvious pain at first. Instead, you might notice more frequent colds, slower recovery after workouts, or that stubborn belly fat that won't go away no matter how clean you eat. That's because vitamin D regulates hormones, muscle repair, and even your immune system. Without it, your body is always running a little weaker in the background. With vitamin B12, the warning signs are often subtle: brain fog, forgetfulness, or that afternoon crash that hits harder than it used to. In some men, tingling in the hands or feet shows up, a result of nerves struggling without enough B12. Since absorption naturally declines after 40, many men are walking around deficient without realizing it. And then there's magnesium. When your body doesn't get enough, sleep quality plummets. You wake up tired even after 8 hours. Muscle cramps or twitches become more common. Stress feels heavier because magnesium helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone. Low levels make everyday pressures feel magnified. Individually, these symptoms look harmless, but together, they form a silent pattern that ages you faster. Less energy, more stress, slower recovery, and the sense that your body just isn't keeping up. The good news is that these deficiencies aren't permanent. With the right habits, you can correct them quickly and feel the difference in weeks, not years. Start with vitamin D. Your body produces it naturally through sunlight, but after 40, absorption is less efficient. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of midday sun on your skin a few times per week. If that's not possible, and for most men it isn't, foods like salmon, sardines, and egg yolks help. Still, it's hard to reach optimal levels with diet alone, which is why doctors often recommend a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. The supplement we personally use is linked in the pinned comment. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. For vitamin B12, animal foods are your richest source: beef, chicken, fish, and dairy. But even if your diet includes plenty of protein, absorption drops as stomach acid declines with age. That's why B12 deficiency is common even in men who eat well. A simple blood test can confirm your levels, and a B12 supplement, often in the methylcobalamin form, can restore them quickly. Finally, magnesium. Think leafy greens, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and beans. These foods deliver the mineral in its natural form, but farming practices have lowered magnesium content in soil, meaning many men still fall short. A supplement like magnesium glycinate or citrate is more easily absorbed and can improve sleep, recovery, and stress resilience. Correcting these deficiencies isn't about chasing perfection. It's about giving your body the raw materials it needs to perform, repair, and resist the pull of early aging. Let's step back and recap what we've uncovered. First, vitamin D. More than just a bone strengthener, it behaves like a hormone. It supports testosterone, muscle recovery, and your immune defenses. Without it, fatigue creeps in, belly fat lingers, and your body's ability to stay strong declines. Second, vitamin B12. This is the brain and nerve protector. It keeps red blood cells healthy, oxygen flowing, and memory sharp. Deficiency here explains the brain fog, low energy, and tingling many men over 40 quietly battle every day. And third, magnesium. The mineral involved in over 300 reactions, from stress control to sleep quality. When levels drop, you feel it in restless nights, tense muscles, and slower recovery. Here's the truth. These aren't exotic hacks or shortcuts. They're the foundations your body needs to thrive. Correcting these deficiencies won't just help you feel better today. It slows down the aging process itself, giving you back energy, clarity, and resilience. We've linked the exact vitamin D, B12, and magnesium supplements we use in the pinned comment and description. If you pick them up, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Subscribe for weekly, science-backed tips to thrive in your second prime. If this video helped you in any way, even one small change you'll try tonight, leave a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to someone else who might need it. And if you want more clear, science-backed ways to protect your body and sharpen your mind after 40, stick around for more. Your second prime isn't about going back. It's about staying sharp, steady, and strong.